Here we are at chapter 1, target 4A. We're asked to find the missing side. And just looking at this triangle, we do notice that we have our 90-degree down here in the bottom left. And as a result of that, the side directly opposite of that is always going to be our hypotenuse. And unfortunately, that is our unknown, so that's going to be our C that we don't know what he is. So that's what we're going to be trying to find is actually our hypotenuse. Now, with every single right triangle, we can go ahead and use our Pythagorean theorem. And that is our a squared plus our b squared equals our c squared. Now, again, we don't know what our c is, but we can go ahead and label what our a and b are. Now, right now, it doesn't matter which one's a and which one's b. You can flip-flop these and still get the same correct answer in the end. But for right now, all I've gone ahead and done is said a is going to be 7, b is going to be 3. But it does not matter. Going ahead and throwing our a in, we end up with 7 squared plus our b, it is 3, and that 3 is being squared, equals our c, which we don't know what he is yet. That is being squared. Our 7 squared gives us 49, plus our 3 squared gives us 9, equals our c squared, which we still don't know. Our 49 plus our 9 gives us a total of 58, which is equal to c squared. And then lastly, because we don't want c squared, we just want regular c by himself. We kind of want to get rid of the c squared. We'd have to do the inverse of c squared. And the inverse of c squared is taking the square root of both sides. Because remember from class we've talked about where the square root comes together with the squared. They come together and kill each other off. And so then they are gone, leaving us just that variable underneath that we wanted, c, which is equal to the square root of 58, or about 7.6. And then because the thousandth decimal shows a 5, it would actually round up to a 2. Again, I'm not going to be too picky though if you write that decimal. In fact, actually, if you leave your answer like this, the square root of 58, and try and do some good and garbage, that would be the best thing that you could do. But I am okay with you having this as an answer as well, this 7.62. Again, though, that is chapter 1, target 4A.